Create a dataset in Adonis. Go to Analyze. Choose whether you want to create your dataset from a search result, or select it manually. Give your analysis a name. You can narrow down your search to specific model or object types. Use the property filter to add a desired attribute. Now, the search result shows only process objects classified as key processes. Click on plus chart to create a chart. Select a chart type. Choose a template to visualize your dataset without having to worry about configuring the chart. And there you have it. Click on plus chart again to create another one using the same dataset. Choose a template. Or configure your own chart. And now you've got another chart in your analysis. You can go back to check out your dataset. And jump from one chart to the other. Don't forget to save your analysis. Export your charts in various formats. And share the analysis with your colleagues. Have a look at the Adonis online help for more information.